So in this video, we are going to install JDK17 on the Linux. Even though we have available like JDK23 is available, but this 23 is not compatible with some of the software. So that's why I'm thinking to install a lower version like which is compatible with that software. So that's why I'm going to install JDK17. So for this, first thing is that you can download this JDKs. Okay, so you can come to this page, Oracle download page JDK17. From this page you can, this is the JDK17 download page, and you can come down to this Linux version. Like here you can see there is several options are there, I can go with this compressed one, this one, this start.gz file. So once you download that file to the Linux system, so let me show you. So this one, the one Linux system, so you can see it is Linux 25, that is Ubuntu. Okay, so I'm going to install Java 17. Even though I have 23 I think available, let me show you Java hyphen version, this current version. You can see currently I'm using 23, but I'm going to install lower version for my software compatibility. So I think I think I covered those things in the earlier video, how to install JDK on Linux system and how to set the path. Okay, so just few info if you check this file, this bar source file, I updated this environment variable, that is Java home, which is pointing to OPT JDK. Okay, so I created the symbolic link. Last time I can show you like this thing, this symbolic link, that is the JDK is pointing to JDK23. Okay, so let me show you. Since I already downloaded this file JDK17, so I'm going to install this one. This file is available here. Okay, so let me install this one using tar-extract. Okay, tar-xzvf, then your JDK file name, JDK, what is that, 17. Yeah, so I'm going to extract in this same folder, that is the OPT. So let me hit enter. Yes, so once this file is extracted, then this one is generated. Okay, but still my JDK is pointing to this 23. Okay, so I'm going to point, I mean dynamically pointing this to the older version like JDK 17 or something. Okay, so for that we no need to change anything on the environment variable, that is the which is defined inside the bias rc file in my home directory. You can see I defined simple the common thing like opt jdk, not specific to any like version of Java, so I can dynamically pointing to any of the version using this same jdk. Okay, no need to change anything on this configuration file. So let me, yeah, so I'm going to remove this symbolic link which is pointing to the like older JDK23. Okay, so simple, you can put rm-rf JDK. So now you can see the difference. This link is removed. Okay, but still you have this binaries like all the JDK 23 version, like all the files are there. Okay, but your JDK is not pointing to that one. Okay, so let me create another symbolic link, ln-s, that is the soft link. So your source one, that is the this one, and your target symbolic link name, that is the JDK. Okay, so now you can see there is no link between this JDK and JDK17. Okay, so let me create this one. After that, check it. Okay, JDK is pointing to 17. Okay, so if I check this Java version, now you can see it is showing 17 is coming. Okay, so similarly if you want to change it again to this 23, so that's simple. You can remove this file rm-rf jdk. So again you can create the symbolic link from your required java version, like this 23 is there. Okay, so you can create the symbolic link to the JDK. Okay, so again you can check whether it's updated. Yeah, it's updated. Let me check this one using Java version. Yeah, so now it's changed to 23. Okay, so similarly you can change, I mean, switch between different JDK in Linux. Okay,